My dear student, today I am going to discuss with you the manufacturing consideration in machine design. So let's start the topic, and today we are going to cover the manufacturing consideration in design along with the specific consideration in a specific manufacturing process like casting, forging and welding. So let's get start the manufacturing consideration in design. Actually, whatever component you are going to design or machine you are going to design, it involves manufacturing process. Without it, it can't be possible in physical sense. So let's understand how the manufacturing consideration should be involved during the design. Means while you are designing, you should consider these facts, otherwise your manufacturing ability will be reduced. Means the ease with which your product will be manufactured will get reduced. So let's understand how we can avoid that situation so that it can be easily manufactured. The first point is minimum total number of parts in a product. While you are designing a product, you are thinking of a product, your product should have less number of parts if possible. So try to get less number of parts. If less number of parts, then obviously manufacturing cost will reduced and material cost will reduce, and ultimately it will lead to reduce the product cost. Next one is variety of parts. Means it should not have a very wide variety. Its parts should not have variety, otherwise its manufacturing will be complex and it will not ease the manufacturing. So try to get less variety of the parts so that manufacturing could be easy. Next one is use standard part. A standard part means if your machine component is requires some part which is a standard part like chain, pulley, gear, then you should not design it. You should select it from the manufacturing catalog which are already available now, because most of the industry now very standardized. You can take there from like bearing, belt and chains, that are standard parts, and you can easily select as per your requirement. So it will also reduce your cost, otherwise you will involve to design a particular parts which you not supposed to design. So use standard parts in such a way. Next point is design parts to be multifunctional, and try to design your part to be multifunctional. Means your one part may use somewhere else. Means suppose you are so that it obviously its ultimate aim is to reduce the cost of manufacturing. So multifunctional parts should be designed. Design parts for multiple use. Means you should have a target to design a part in such a way so that it can be used multiple of times. And if you are using this concept, then your machines reliability, your machines your machines capability to be sustained would be increased. So you need to consider this too while you are designing. Next point is least costly material. Another very important point, you should be very optimized while you are selecting the material. If your component can work with mild steel, you should not choose high speed steel, otherwise your cost will vary and your cost will increase. And if there is no requirement, means it depends upon your design calculation, means what strength you require. So accordingly you have to select the material. Next one is design parts for ease of manufacturing. Design parts for ease of manufacture. Manufacture means your parts should be designed in such a way so that its manufacturing could be easy. Means if you are designing part in a complex manner, means its design is very complex, it has some profiles, it has some different different types of operation, it requires different types of machining operations, then obviously its manufacturing would be costly. So you have to avoid this. And the last point is shape of the part. For minimizing the operation, means you have to select the shape in such a way that you should have least number of operation to get it manufactured. Means try to get some standard shape. Means you cannot design it in such a way that it requires a lot of operation. Suppose it go to the machining shop and it requires a lot of machining operations on a particular section, then it will take time, cost, and obviously it also reduces its strength for a particular application. So try to get lesser number of try to get simple shape. Means if possible to get, say, your plan should your shape should be in such a way that it could be easily manufactured. Means it would take less number of operation to get completed. So that's his basic motto, that should, I think, consider a designer while he or she is considering for a design elements, machine elements. So because manufacturing is ultimate thing, end of your manufacture. Actually, manufacturing will tell you